Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop. On the application of Duolingo, you will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Duolingo. Here we click on Forcestop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your